This is in an area that is across the street. It looks like it's in our vicinity, but actually it's across, we're in Arizona, in Lake Havasu City, and this is actually on the California side. It's just right across, but it was one little tiny spot of fire, and then Jack and I went over there to check it out to see if it was in this Craigie Wash location, and it is not. But there were 4 big spots by that time, and now it looks like it's growing further, you know, as far as the size of it. Looks pretty intimidating, doesn't it? Craigie Wash is so pretty. We decided to go ahead. You can see on the left-hand side, wow, all that red in there. Right in there. There's a lot of red in there where the fire is. So it's pretty crazy. Hi everybody, this is Beachcricket, and I'm inside my bus shuttle, babe. And we are at the location for the fireworks. So the winter blast is going to happen in a few days. So we are set up here. It's had some weather challenges, but it's going to be fun. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll show you those weather challenges we've experienced so far, and you can see the camp. And right now I'm going to go for a walk with the pups because those girls are ready for a walk. And it's kind of chilly here. It's not been very, well, it was warm, like late 60s, 70s. And then we had a little rainstorm come through, and that chilled things down, and it's still a bit windy today. But I think we're going to have some 60s weather, you know, mid 60s. It's going to get down in the 30s and 40s still. But after a couple of weeks, it trends really warm here, and you can even go swimming in Lake Havasu, so it's really a fun place. All right, we're going for a walk. Stay right there. You can enjoy the fun too. Don't push too far so you don't get yourself all in a tizzy. Watch it, you got some new shoes.
You got that one almost off. He's working it.
You look good, buddy. You styling. Okay, well that was a lot of fun. We are enjoying it here. It's like another party. So I am really excited for the Winter Blast to start with all the fireworks. I'll be filming that so you can see it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll come out good. So you guys, wake up and live. Have your adventures. Nomad Life rocks. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.